Hi there. I've done a lot of workshops for teachers in grammar, but never done any for children. So I thought I'm going to do a summer camp on the 27th and 28th of May for students who are going to do their board exams, preparing for their board exams, the 9th and the 10th especially. We'll do it on 27th and 28th between 3:30 and 5:30 on each day. Okay. So who am I? So I'm Usha Pandit. I have written books on grammar, language with ease, and grammar with ease, which are in several schools. I also have a YouTube channel, The Mind Springs English Teacher. And there I teach grammar. So you can actually go and see who you're going to learn from. Most students are shaky about grammar, the basics of grammar, and this causes confusion. It's not their fault, it's the way we are taught in a linear system. That's the reason. So if you get some of those concepts crystal clear, grammar is going to be very easy. Grammar is a small part of your English paper, but it is a part that is going to come for every examination, every competitive exam in the future. So it's worth your while to get your concepts straight. So what am I going to do? I'm going to basically look at some of the parts of grammar that make it complicated. And I'm going to simplify them for you. There are very simple ways, for example, to identify abstract nouns. How do you know which option to fill in as a verb, for example, after a preposition? So if you get a preposition, what do you put into that blank? And it is so easy, you can do it blind. How do you transform sentences? This is a huge problem for people. They don't know how to transform sentences. Simple, compound, complex is a huge nightmare. I'm going to make that so easy for you. The easiest way to do reported speech. You get plenty of questions on reported speech, and I'm going to show you how to do that without making a single mistake. And then there are MCQs for tense forms. That is another very common question. I'm going to show you how to choose the correct option very easily because they are not difficult. The problem with grammar is you do it over several years, so you forget. If you see it all together, you get an umbrella view. Trust me, it's going to be easy peasy. So let's do exercises. Let's prepare using videos. Let's gain confidence. Let's ask questions. Let's have fun. Grammar is easy, but you can't learn it by translating sentences into Hindi, which is what a lot of teachers I see doing. They seem to be saying the sentence in English and then translating it into Hindi. Or reading out the question and then answering the question and saying, oh, it's easy, isn't it? It doesn't work like that. You have to do it yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So learn tricks and tips and hacks and shortcuts. All of these you will get in my summer camp, 27th and 28th of May. I'll put you in a WhatsApp group and I'm going to mentor you for 6 months so that if you have any queries before your exam, you are able to solve those problems yourself. You're going to get a peer group with which you can interact, etc. You'll get a certificate from me at the end of this course. That's very valuable also. So register on my website, www.mindsprings.in. And let me tell you, you're going to love it. So don't miss this rare opportunity. A grammar camp for board examination students and competitive examination students. All of you can come in if you want your basics strengthened. And let's have fun.